everyone, I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
I'm Dhritika.
And I'm Shishti. I'm Sanya.
One of the worst experiences you can have at a house party is when somebody puts
Takes
out
out
a
a
ukulele.
fucking guitar. Where is this guitar coming from? See, there's like this new trend of what's it called? Like unz music.
House music.
Techno.
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 Every
Yeah,
club has a theme like
I
Saturday techno
fucking
night.
hate that shit.
In New York, like you cannot take cabs.
It's very expensive.
That's what I love about Bombay too. Like I love the cab culture in Bombay.
Yeah.
You should always say this one line: no wearing sleeveless, backless, anything less.
Yeah, that is.
This was the exact line.
Like who?
Ingrained.
My friends and I have ordered them people from Pune.
Valid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
should have.
There's a ghost in my house.
Really?
Our house, like whoever comes home when you sleep in our house, you will hear 100 noises. Ye wo hoga.
Only to new people.
No, even we hear it, but we are used to it. We know it's Mars, no?
No, why are you normalizing it? That's so weird. Hi everyone, I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
I'm Dhritika.
And I'm Shishti. I'm Sanya.
And we are
Besharam.
Hi Sani.
Hi, Sarah. Oh my god.
This is our second guest that we have on the pod.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
this is Sania Mirwani for those of you who don't know.
Thank you.
You're our first girl guest.
Yeah.
As it should be. I don't understand why y'all brought a man on this podcast.
We
I mean,
apologize.
Kind of embarrassing, honestly.
But yes, this is Sania Mirwani. I'm sure you guys already know about her. There is like, I mean, you have multiple videos that have done great numbers, Sania.
Yes.
So, congratulations.
I'll send you the check after this. Don't worry, I got you.
But for anyone who doesn't know, like we have certain
People who live under the
People-
rock.
one guy who watches us to improve his English.
Right, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah,
One of those.
Tell them what you do and
Like
what
just about something about yourself that you like
Something
people to
about
So
know.
basically, I'm being job interviewed, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
So my name is Sanya. My pronouns are she, her. I am a filmmaker, writer, filmmaker. I live between Bombay and New York. I also make a little bit of content online. And I'm the only person who agreed to come here, which is why they have brought me here because I'm a people-pleasing idiot, and I said yes.
The thing about
So,
beggars.
Yeah. So that's why I'm here.
Love.
No, but
love.
honestly, it's like we really did. We all like loved your content from earlier.
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
definitely.
I-
Oof.
Are you
She
okay?
loved my content so much she has fallen
broken-
off her
Broken the
chair.
Yeah. No, but honestly, I have been watching your content for like a couple of years now.
Really?
Yes, I've been following you for like a good 2-3 years.
Thank you.
And I've loved your content. I don't know why, because it's just so like random. Yet
It is random
Yet it's
because
just so-
yeah.
I get hooked onto your videos like most of
That
the
is
time.
Every
really
guy
sweet.
live
I-
vicariously through your parents.
Yeah.
Dude, yeah, that
Yeah.
even I live vicariously through my parents.
Yeah, I think everyone.
So-
your dad is like an internet dad. I feel.
He
Yeah,
really
yeah, for
is.
sure.
I
He
feel
really
everyone
is.
loves your
He
dad.
loves that shit. No,
Yeah.
he's
He's
enjoying
a
it.
whole vibe.
Yeah.
And I'm all for it.
Wait, so
Love
he likes
uncle.
it like he puts on a show for the camera.
No, he loves the fact that he is a celebrity now, I will say.
Ooh.
Mhm.
Yeah. He thinks he's
yeah.
having the best time. But he very
Hmm.
much is what you see on the
Mhm.
internet for
He's
sure.
a natural.
Yeah.
I
He's
can
what you call a
tell-
natural.
I can tell like
fully.
he doesn't put up a show specifically for the
For
camera.
the
I
camera,
feel like
yeah.
he just is like that.
Yeah,
Has
yeah,
this
yeah.
ever happened where he gets recognized before you and Tanisha?
Absolutely. He's
Yeah.
getting
Oh my
recognized
God.
everywhere. Everyone knows him. It's so funny. I mean, of course, see, Tanisha has like a massive following,
Yeah.
right?
Right,
And
right.
everyone knows who she is. And I've been in places where I've gone out and they'll be like, oh, you're Tanisha's sister. And I'm like, yes, I am. Nice to meet you, whatever. But more often, I get, hi, how's Jitu uncle?
Oh.
And I'm like, he's good. He's having a great time in life.
मेरे बारे में भी
Yeah.
पूछो यार.
I'm like, yeah. And me? Like, yeah, we love
I
Jitu
also
uncle.
do.
Cool, thanks.
I think cool parents are like the kind of breed that let you like do a lot of like passion projects and passion things. And since you like make films,
Yes.
was it like hard to like convince them that
So-
you had to do that?
So they are cool in the way that, yes, they've always allowed both of us to make our own choices. And they've always been really nice very supportive of the arts. They're not like your average
Conservative. or like-
conservative parents at all. But they I think that is why people think they weren't strict, but they were very strict. Like I was never allowed sleepovers or like anything like that. That was never a thing. You know, if I was out really late at night, I would get 800 calls like everyone else.
Correct.
Wow.
And they have to come pick me up. That was a big rule because they're like, we don't want you coming home with boys and all that.
Yeah.
So they were very strict parents growing up. Now, obviously, I'm 26. Not that that's stopping them. Now that I'm back home, I'm realizing. But
You
they
come
were,
back and you're their baby again.
Yeah, when I
So-
come back, I'm in there. I left home when I was 17. So when I come back
okay.
home, they are like, you're 17. So it's a bit
Nothing's
of...
changed.
It's like
yeah.
when people say that they're COVID age.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Time
It
hasn't
doesn't
passed after
count.
that.
Those
Yeah.
3-4 years they don't count only. But for them, they treat me sometimes like I'm a 4-year-old. So
Acha.
it is what it is. It's fine.
Yeah. So you left when you were 17, right?
Yes.
So how is it like? How was growing up in the States when you were like 18 and in college? Like,
It-
how was
You know,
college
that's
there?
a very good question. I'm really thinking about reflective. College for me was honestly, we watch so much TV, right, about like America
Yes,
and everything.
exactly.
They're fucking boring as shit in America.
Yeah.
Okay, like
it's
I'll be.
glorified. on
It's so glorified.
yeah,
You know,
on
you
shows and
think there
stuff.
are these like mean girls and there's
Jocks
parties
and,
and there's
like,
jocks and all this.
yeah.
And yeah, there is some of it, but they're all one though like so fucking stupid. Most of
Duds.
them, they're all duds. And then it's not as I think we party way more in Bombay, and
Yeah.
we have way more fun than they've ever had or will have in their lives.
Really?
Honestly, yeah.
Like they are not getting sloshed every
The
weekend?
people having
Isn't
the
that
most
the
fun.
culture over there? And that's how we've adopted
It's
it.
all a bunch of BS. The people having the most fun in America are international students because international students
Wow.
also are the people with the money. Your average American is bichara working very hard and studying, not
Fair,
like what
fair.
we are doing there.
But is
Yeah.
it just like is it just your college that you saw this?
So
or
okay,
is it
look,
everywhere?
I went to a very niche liberal arts school. Okay, it's called
Okay.
Sarah Lawrence College, where voted top 5 weirdest schools in America.
I love that.
Wow.
So-
you must have seen such weird people.
Yeah, absolutely. We were our school was also clothing optional. Okay,
There's no dress code.
there's no dress. It's
Oh,
clothing
I-
optional.
Yeah, no.
Like you can come naked.
Yeah, I've fully seen a man.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
What?
So in college, they're like, let's say I was going for, I think, what was it, anthropology or something like that. Okay,
Mhm.
one stupid required class I had to take.
Anthropology
Oh
is
my-
stupid, I agree.
Yeah, we
Like,
have
why
the
you
study
studying
of
that?
people.
Yeah.
Yeah, why college in the
Just meet
21st
people and
century?
talk to them.
Yeah.
Get the
I
fuck
did
out of
my
your
CY
house.
in sociology.
Anthropology is
And I
for
Get your whole
incels.
audio book, then you'll understand anthropology.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Anthropology is for incels. Anyway, so I had one required anthropology course, and of course, you know, I was there in class, and we had those, you know, those seats that are like, how do I don't know the material, but basically, if you're wearing shorts and
Yes, you get stuck. You get
your
stuck.
thighs will get
yes,
stuck,
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
right? Your thighs. So this man has come butt naked to class.
Yo.
And look, I'm all for it. Do your thinking. You know, be butt naked. However,
Didn't he like flash you though?
of course, he's flashing everyone. No, at this point,
Hmm.
but it's clothing optional, dude. Do your thing.
That's
No
the
problem.
most
It is-
American thing.
it is-
ever.
Is he white?
Of course he was white.
That's why I said it. No.
Bro, white people are freaks, huh?
Yeah, white people
Yeah,
are
and
freaks.
Then what?
But so he sits down. So my only concern was the next person who has to sit on that chair, because man's balls were stuck to the
Oh
chair.
my God.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That cannot be a comfortable situation.
Sometimes I hate how visual my imagination can get.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like-
Yeah, so I mean, it was a really fun school, honestly. I had a great time, and my friends, honestly, I'm so grateful for the people I met in New York. And obviously, we partied a lot, we studied a lot, we did everything together, which was lovely.
Mhm.
But I will say that, you know, the whole impression that America party it was a bullshit. Like the shit that's happening in Bombay.
There's a lot more.
Like
hap-
I'm
it's a lot more
intimidated
happening.
every time I come back to Bombay. I'm intimidated. Honestly,
Oh,
I'm
shit.
always
Because you think the
intimidated by
party
Bombay.
culture has like evolved.
Evolved.
Yeah, first of all, it's evolved massively right now because I can see there's like this new trend of what's it called, like uns music. What is it
EDM?
called?
House music.
Yeah, this stuff. Like
I'm
no
assuming
lyrics,
it's EDM.
like
yeah.
EDM slash techno.
Oh,
Techno.
Every
Yeah,
club
yeah.
has a theme, like
I
Saturday techno
fucking
night.
hate that shit
That's so
because
Yeah.
it's so irritating because there'll always be these boys, right? Especially
yeah.
Yeah,
especially your South Bombay bros, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
so
yeah.
many of them.
they're all DJs.
and they're all are DJs, right?
Yes.
And they're all part-time DJs playing at Slinkin Bardo.
Part-time
Right?
at the shifts to full time.
Literally. And they are there and they're like,
Yeah.
unts, unts, unts.
They
Yeah.
like,
It's
they
like
do
it's like
two lines of your favorite song. You're like, yes, finally a
Exactly.
song I know.
exactly.
Two lines and then it's
That's
like,
it.
And you
for
know
like
they-
30 minutes.
It's so stupid.
They
How do I dance
love-
to it?
They love
Edging.
somebody that I used to know, that song.
Yes.
They'll be like, and you didn't have to cut me off. Unts, 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 unts. I'm like, you did cut me off, yo. I was just fucking singing, you
I started to
bastard.
vibe
Who
to
did
this.
Yeah.
kill
and
you
like
to
you
like
killed it.
play the song for
Play
3
the
minutes?
Yeah, I
song,
mean,
yeah.
उन
Just
लोग ने
play
गाना
it.
बनाया है. You know,
बजने
they
दे. उसमें बैठकर lyrics लिखी है.
literally.
बजने दे.
Exactly. No, it's hell. I'm not a fan anymore. So I go to. I'm most of the time at Little Easy now because they play Bollywood music. Then I'm like, if
I
I'm,
love
the
that.
best part
I
if
about
I'm
love
in
that.
Bombay
clubs.
partying, I want to
See,
listen to Bollywood music. I'm
Exactly.
sorry.
See, the thing is, like, if I'm coming to dance, I want to be able
I want to
vibe.
dance.
I want to dance and I want to be able to vibe with the song also. Like,
Exactly.
sing and dance.
Yeah, मुझे
It's-
hook steps आते हैं for what?
You know, and you know the best part is, I don't even know if you can put this in, but the best part is, whenever I talk to these techno boys, no, they're like, no, you don't understand.
Oh, there are different deals.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
vibe. It's a vibe because when I went to what is that Tomorrowland, and I was on so many drugs, you don't know, my life changed, and I was like, oh, so you have to be on drugs to enjoy this
Yeah.
music. They're like, yes.
It'll grow
But
on
you
you.
have,
It'll
if
grow
you're
on
on
you.
drugs, then you enjoy any
I'm
music.
like, why
you
would I
enjoy with no music also.
Yeah, I'm sure. Which is why I'm like, if I have to take drugs to enjoy this music, I think you need to revamp.
to
Yeah.
Like, go back to the drawing board.
You're the
Go
only
back to
person.
basics.
Exactly.
You're the only person that's vibing.
I don't understand this. They're like, my life changed because I was on like 8 grams of ecstasy. I don't even know if 8 grams is a lot or less. Okay, I'm just
We
saying.
don't know.
We don't know either.
Yeah, some people will tell us, I'm sure.
Yeah,
So
in
they're
the
like,
comments.
okay, I was on these many drugs in Tomorrowland. The vibe was immaculate.
Yes.
And you
Wow.
don't even understand, bro. My life changed pre-ecstasy and post-ecstasy. My life is different. And I'm like, darling, that is because literally, chemically, your brain has changed.
Yeah,
changed.
Have you thought of that?
Yeah.
Science.
So, what was it like living away from home so early on? Like, you know, how was it, like, different? Because 18 is a very, very like
It's a very,
because,
yeah.
you know, it's the American culture. Like, you know, once you hit 18, you're supposed to move out of home.
Home,
And that's
yes.
that's what you did. Like,
I
you
mean,
moved
I
there.
wouldn't say I moved out of home. My parents paid for me to study away from them.
Yeah,
So,
but I
yeah.
mean,
But
The
it was
cut-
your choice, right?
yeah,
it was
yeah.
your choice. But like,
Arranged marriage, arranged study. No, it was my
Yeah.
my choice.
yeah.
Consensual. I
Yeah.
went by myself.
But do
yeah.
you think you use your degree to like make films actually? Because I have certain friends who studied film in my college, which is a very typical South Bombay college. Turns out that they didn't really like how they taught film
Right,
in that
yeah,
in that college. It's one of like the more affordable options in South
Absolutely,
Bombay,
yeah.
and they just claim that they have all they've learned about filmmaking is through filmmaking.
100%.
So
Okay, so the
what was
thing is
your-
about creative careers in general, I think you learn the most on the job. No one will tell
Correct.
you otherwise. You have to learn on the job, especially with film stuff. You're going to learn when a guy is screaming at you from a
Hmm.
walkie. That's the only way to learn.
uh-huh.
Not that you should be screaming at people on a walkie. I'm a big believer in there's no need to scream, but
Uh-huh.
that is how you learn, right? That is being on a set is how you will learn.
Hmm.
That being said, I feel like what a film school does for you is that it gives you a structure. Now, for some people that works, some people that doesn't. What it does is that it gives you the opportunity, because what happens while working on a number of sets is that you're working on other people's vision all the time.
You're fulfilling
Yeah.
someone else's like
Someone
idea.
else's dream, someone
Yeah.
else's vision, and which is great. That's very, very important, especially earlier on. You
Correct.
should be able to, assist enough so that you understand how things work and
Correct.
how
Fair.
and what you would do and what you wouldn't do, right?
But I have
This is
this
how it
friend, Tahir, if you're watching this, he studied film, okay,
Right.
in my college in KC, and he mentions to me that, once you start like hanging out with actual film people, like he likes film, like he likes K3G.
Right.
There is certain people that like only niche films, and like
Aye, these
that's
pretentious fuckers are to
pretentious
there
fuck-
only. No.
If you've seen this like
Everywhere
niche
they are. Yeah.
French film, No, the
Oh.
fuck I haven't.
No. There are lots of people. Oh, I love to watch black and white film, but through the perception
an end.
After I've had ecstasy.
Yeah. After I've had ecstasy, this changed my life.
I see
Yeah.
colors.
Techno.
Yeah.
You know, black and white, I see
people-
color.
Techno people and like niche film people are the same.
They are different breeds of annoying men.
Yeah.
They're different breeds. Like there are different breeds, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah,
there's
yeah.
techno boys.
Hmm.
I'm really sorry. There are lots of friends.
Finance
who are-
bros, dude.
Finance bros, gym bros.
But finance was
Film bro.
Film bros. I'll tell you something. Film bros are. I'll tell you what they're doing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Film bros are the ones who think they are not like other boys. You know,
Oh,
they're little
wow.
They
pick me.
wear
We have
turtlenecks.
that.
They wear turtlenecks. They're little pick me. They are artsy, so they're not like they understand. The problem about film boys is that they understand the vocabulary. So they will say
Huh.
things like, "Oh, I'm not a misogynist, and I'm not this, and I'm not that."
They know the right words to use.
They know
to,
what to
like,
say.
make
Yeah,
them not look-
keywords.
yes,
You
to
know
make them
what I'm
not
saying?
look problematic, but they
Exactly,
are.
but they are. They're sitting in the corner rolling their own cigarette,
Yes.
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
and then they'll tell Savio to take out the guitar, and then Savio singing Wonderwall for us all.
I think
No one asked Savio to sing.
one of the worst experiences you can have at a house party is when somebody pulls
Takes
out
out
a
a
ukulele.
fucking
Yeah.
guitar. Where is this guitar
Yeah,
coming
where-
from?
They're like,
how do you
"Dude,
bring this
Jay
out of-
Maka."
I
Shut up.
literally, and you're,
you-
and
Makan toot gaye.
you're always sitting in Bandra. Like, why? Why is this
And you have to go,
happening?
like,
You have to
do
be
the
like, yeah,
entire-
Yeah, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
one guy is like blackout,
yeah.
like passed out drunk,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
like
One's
high as fuck.
puking.
One is making out with someone in the corner.
Yeah, it's a shameful act. It's all very
Yeah.
besharam, might I add.
Very Vaishnav.
It is a very
it's
shameful act.
insufferable.
I know. I'm just like, please don't sing. Yeah, I hate musicians. I just have to say it. I hate musicians.
yeah.
I mean,
I
they're
can't
such.
say the
I
same.
love
I
art. I
agree.
appreciate art, but like, just don't ruin the vibe.
They
Yeah.
are they're
The
just
song
so
is playing, let it play.
they are such attention-seeking whores. Yeah,
Yeah.
you go to
And the
karaoke. You go to karaoke, they'll take the mic and they'll find one Coldplay song and they're like, Sur mein. I'm like, shut up,
See,
bro.
I believe that karaoke you need to sing badly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the point.
That's the point. But then
Exactly.
people who get their guitars out, I feel like they're under such a big misconception that they sing well.
You know, they think it's Indian Idol audition happening.
Oh, yeah.
They're like,
आप
now
आप
someone's
मुंबई आ रहे हो?
listening
आप
to
मुंबई
me.
आ रहे हो कि नहीं?
मेरे को कौन है?
No, it's hell. I really hate musicians. I'm like,
Right.
I cannot. A man who's a musician, so many times whenever they get drunk, they sing. Yeah, they really
Yeah.
want.
I know.
Like, I've never met a dancer who, when
Fuck, imagine
drunk,
dancing in a house party.
Oh my
like,
god, do that's
you know,
it's still
dancers
better.
actually, dancers are better. I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
They are curbing it. Like,
Okay.
they know they're amazing.
Huh.
They're not doing the like. They are curbing. They're like, you know, bouncing and
Yeah.
enjoying
Yeah,
and
yeah.
having fun. And yeah, they'll do the hook step or whatever. But they're not doing it as if it's Shamak Dawar Summer Funk.
Yeah.
You know,
They're
they are like,
"See, karti main."
yeah, see, karti. They're not doing. They're keeping it together. Same thing with like other artists. They're not like a drama person's not doing street play in the middle of 145.
Exactly.
They're not doing that
Exactly.
shit. These singers, I don't know what happens during karaoke. They're like, it's my time.
It's
time
my
now.
time to shine.
It's
Yeah.
very irritating. I'm not a fan at all.
So, what was it like living away from home? for
I
you?
think it was definitely hard in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
It always is. You're like
Mm.
settling in, and
Mm.
there were so many white people, yeah, in
Yeah.
America. But no, like white people were very intimidating. I'll be honest. I was
Mm.
kind of afraid of white people because they talk also differently, and we are more, I think, mufat with the way we talk.
Muffa is, like
and
chill and
we're
like
chill,
But
yeah.
did you have any cousins or relatives living in the New York to help you maneuver through?
So I have some family, yes. I have some family in America. But I feel like I really made very, very good friends when I was there. I was
Hmm.
very lucky that day
Mhm.
one only, one of my
Oh.
best friends, day one, I met him and he became one of my best friends. And then I met another friend who's also still one of my best friends, whose wedding I'm going for later this year and everything. So it felt very natural almost. I think you have
Okay.
to find your pace, and it takes time. It takes a
Yeah,
lot of time. It could
definitely.
take 6 months, it could take a year, it could take 2 months, whatever, depending on how you
Yeah.
are. But of course, you're moving countries and at such a weird age, right? At
such a tender
17.
age.
Yeah.
At 17, you're like really stupid, right?
Very, you
I
don't
mean,
know what the fuck you're
very
doing.
stupid.
Yeah, I'm still very stupid. But then I was even stupider.
Yeah.
So
And
it
alone,
is,
like, you
and
were
alone.
alone.
So it is. But dude, now there are so many desis in America and in
every
Canada.
pocket
So
of
like
the
Yeah.
world.
of the world there
it
are
has
Indians.
changed, evolved this much. You would say it has evolved drastically.
Yeah, drastically. I think.
A decade is a long time.
yeah.
Like,
my God, I went to study almost a decade.
When you put it like that, it's like a really long
So
time.
old. No, I think, see, my school, unfortunately, we didn't have as many desis because we were very small, niche, liberal arts,
Also,
white
there were naked
school.
people. I don't
There were
think
naked people
Indians
in my
want
school.
to
I
have
And
don't
I
that.
think
think,
back
yeah.
then liberal arts for like Indians
Not
was
as,
not
yeah.
very
Yeah.
popular.
Back then, you're saying I went only 8 years ago.
But still, like even now.
Oh my
even
God,
now-
back
Yeah.
then.
Because even today when I say I'm an art student, arts ke liye hai?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
correct,
something I get
correct,
even
correct.
today.
I
Is
mean,
that even today? Yeah,
8 years back also, it was
Yeah,
like a
it
very
was.
different
It was
scene.
very
Yeah.
different. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I was the only desi in the film department, by the way. The
Oh,
only
shit.
desi my year in the film department.
Okay.
I think there was one other person, but I think they were also ABCD, like American born.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Desi, confused desi.
American born
Confused
confused
desi.
desi. Yeah.
I love that term actually.
Yeah. Even I
Makes
love that
a
term,
lot
but they
of
don't love it,
sense.
huh? It's
don't?
quite offensive to them.
I don't know.
Whatever.
What do you think?
They have an American
Who
passport, they
gaff?
can shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
So, since like you lived in New York
Hmm.
and like, of course, it must have been very hard to like navigate that.
Yeah, in the
at
beginning, yes. Yeah.
17. But I believe from what I've seen, like through
Yeah.
movies and from what I've heard from people,
Yeah.
New York and Bombay, like there's a lot of parallels.
They're the same.
They, yeah,
Okay, I'll tell you
exactly.
what. They're the same. They're both very loud, right?
Hmm.
And
Yes.
cities that don't sleep.
Yes.
Very, very fast. Very fast paced.
Mhm.
I would argue Bombay is even faster than New York. I think.
Really?
I think
Whoa.
Bombay is
Hmm.
way faster than New York.
Okay.
And they're also very dirty cities in a big
I
way.
Yes.
saw a
also.
reel where this guy, he went to New York for like a trip or something, and he's like, I just smell weed and shit on the road.
Yeah. It
throughout.
smells like shit and pee everywhere, and
Yeah.
like the trains and of course, where 100 people rush, just like 100 people are rushing to Dadar, 100 people are rushing to Union.
Dadar.
It's the same. Yeah, look at the
She
PTSD.
has
Yeah.
no, from our last episode, she had a very bad
I got
experience.
lost at the other station yesterday.
Yeah.
Really?
It's not even about,
Yes,
Yes, she
she
has
again?
to travel through Dadar for her classes.
Yeah.
And like every time she gets lost.
So I used to take I used to go to Dadar for college because I was in HR college. So I used to go
Ah,
Dadar Church Gate.
neighbors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was also fun but hell. It's
Yeah.
fun but hell. That's the best way to put it.
Mhm.
Even New York, like there's this train called the L train, and it's really like taking the L, right? So the L train is very much you are like dying, and everyone's pushing you, and there are rats, and
Is
there is
L train like Central Line?
yeah, but no,
Mm.
actually no, but
But our local.
Do you have
Yeah.
Central Western over there? Or is it just one
no.
train?
So we have so there are 28 or 29 lines
Bruh.
Wait.
I get confused in 4.
in
Or
New
3.
York.
We have 4.
But okay, see, lots
3.
of them, like for
Yeah.
example, the NWRQ,
Hmm.
these are 4 yellow line trains, and they all travel uptown to when they're going uptown, they travel either all the way uptown, a couple of them, or they travel to Queens.
Hmm.
Then there is like the L goes to Brooklyn.
Hmm.
So because there are different boroughs, there are some trains that are specific. I mean, not specific to the boroughs, but they are more likely to go to that borough.
Okay.
So it depends because it's large. It's a big place.
But is
Yeah.
it possible to like memorize the route like it is in Bombay? Like
You can't memorize. I mean, for some people, yeah, but I feel like you can't memorize every.
You gotta
You
just
can't.
memorize
You'll
which
know
place
your
you're going to,
lines.
yeah.
You see, I can get by. Now I'll be able to do itna thoda mental maths will
Hmm.
happen.
Hmm.
But usually we'll just Google map it and then it'll tell you
Huh.
where to go.
but
what
in New
you
York,
need.
like you cannot take cabs. They are
It's
Kali
very
Pili.
expensive.
Exactly.
You cannot take
That's
your
what I
cab
love
anywhere.
about Bombay too. Like I love the
Oh,
cab
yeah.
culture in Bombay.
Yeah.
Meter hai and
Meter.
like
Yeah, there's
they
meter
know
there
where
also,
to go.
but it's but it's
It's just overpriced. To
it's
like,
very
overpriced.
expensive to take a cab in New York City.
Yeah,
It's
I mean now it's gotten
ridiculous.
expensive in Bombay also. Like they start at 30 now.
Honestly,
20,
Bombay is quite taking an Uber or an Ola in Bombay is very expensive.
Yeah,
I would say,
For
yeah,
sure.
True.
I prefer Kali Pili. I'm
Yeah,
a Kali
yeah.
Pili
You're a
lover.
Kali Pili girl.
I
yeah.
want
I'm a
the fan
real-
experience.
Yeah, we spoke
Yeah.
about cabs that look like whorehouses last episode.
Cabs
Because
and
of the
rickshaws,
lights.
yeah.
Because of the
That was
lights.
just-
Yeah.
I
No,
had-
I love a fun rickshaw.
Yeah, for sure.
Rickshaws, when rickshaws look like a whorehouse, they are much better than like a cab looking like a
Vibey.
whorehouse.
Yeah. Fair
Yeah.
enough.
It's
The
just-
vibes
it's
are
just
better.
better.
It just looks better on her.
Yes.
Yeah,
So-
that's just what it is.
I wanted to know about like some parallels between
Yeah,
New
New
York,
York and
and
Bombay.
Bombay. So,
So, like,
if you
we
could help
have-
me.
Yeah.
We have vada pav here. Like New York has bagels.
Yes.
Is that like the equivalent?
I would say a $1 slice is the equivalent slice
But
of
I've
pizza.
heard they're not
Oh.
even $1 anymore.
Sometimes they
one-
aren't. Some of them are like $2-3.
My
Yes, that is
God.
true. That is true.
For
It
a
has
slice.
changed for a slice.
slice?
$2 for a slice. But it'll be
Inflation.
see there are still dollar pizzas. It'll be $1.99, like $1.99. So then it is
Ah,
$2.
that's-
But they're
okay.
saying $1 pizza. But you'll still get it. See, in Manhattan, you won't get a $1 slice.
Yeah, of
But if you're
course.
in Brooklyn, Queens, you will get a $1 slice. That's the difference.
What's the equivalent of like, since you work in films
Yeah.
and you know how like important a chai sutta break is to your
Yes.
team?
Yeah.
What does that look like in New York?
Chai sutta only.
Chai sutta.
Yeah.
Coffee sutta. Chai
Coffee
only.
sutta.
It'll be
It's like
coffee and a
your
cig.
black coffee in a
Yeah, black coffee and a
And a
cigarette. But then
cigarette.
they're
In a
shitting their
tumbler.
asses off is the problem. The
just
bathroom after
sipping
that
on-
is terrible.
Oh,
I'm not a coffee
black
drinker.
coffee?
So yeah, New York City runs on black coffee.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a joke like that New York City runs. The thing about New York is you are wearing a black puffer jacket. That's the thing. You're wearing
Yeah.
a black puffer jacket. You're smoking a cigarette. You hate everybody on the road, and
have an
you have attitude, and you're carrying a glass of you know.
Wow.
Starbucks is actually a very upper middle class thing or an upper class thing.
Even
your
in New York?
your New Yorkers, the ones who are working
Hmm.
every single day, are buying Dunkin'. No one can afford a $6 cup of.
Every day,
Fair.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
I've
it's
also
just
heard
too
Dunkin's
much.
better than Starbucks.
See, it's what we can afford.
Again,
We-
beggars
we
can't.
the
Beggars
people-
can't.
We the people.
of New York can only afford
Dunkin's where it's at. Honestly, I'm a big
But
Dunkin'
what
fan.
about those like chains that are like only niche to New York? Like in Bombay we have like Subco. New York we
Right.
have Phil's or something.
Yeah, there are. So, okay, if I'm being so honest, I'm not a big coffee drinker. So, I
Mhm.
don't know where people are getting their coffee from, I think. I think most of on set, at least, we cheap it out, right? We get
Uh-huh,
Dunkin'. You
uh-huh.
get these massive
Yeah.
Yeah.
things, and it's
Hmm.
like $20 for the whole thing, which for us is like, as a producer, budget me, it's coming.
Hmm.
So that's what we get. And we don't, I mean, milk options are also minimal because people are drinking black coffee in,
Yeah.
in
So is it
America.
out
That
of
makes
like
sense.
because they don't have the money to buy, they can't afford it, or do they actually like it?
No, I think.
I think they've grown to like it because और कोई option नहीं है.
Everyone
Yeah.
likes it. Everyone likes it. It's a force of habit, right? Okay, I'll ask you. Your chai sutta. Let's say you get your chai
I
sutta.
don't like chai.
Useless. Your chai sutta.
Yuck.
I like chai but no sutta, but go on.
Shame.
Sure, Dhritika.
uh, your chai sutta break that you take,
hmm.
whether you let's say the guy outside your office, right, is giving you chai,
Hmm.
whether you like it or not, by the 8th day you will love it.
Yes.
Yeah,
Fair,
exactly.
fair,
Right,
fair.
it just becomes a force of habit.
Hmm,
Whether you
fair.
like it or not,
Yeah.
nostalgia gets attached. Like everyone says, the vada pav in their school was the best. No,
Exactly.
No,
Yes,
honestly,
you're
but the
right.
vada pav below.
Yeah,
we'll
like,
make you
write
try.
we'll
down.
make you
this
have
is
it.
this is what I'm
Adeem-
saying. No,
Adeem, we need
everyone
to-
says this.
Yeah.
Everyone says the vada pav under their building or under their
In their gully.
in
I
their
have,
gully.
I have a
or
few
in their-
favorites like across
Of course,
Bombay.
but your
Bombay.
school ka something will be the best in the world, right?
samosa, bro.
Your school ka
But
something.
that's
yeah.
Guru Kripa. Like,
Oh, then that is objectively,
objectively
the
good.
best in the world. This is a
It's not even
exception.
the best in Bombay. Like it is genuinely
The best in the world. No,
world.
I
Yeah.
support this. Guru
Yeah,
Kripa is the
Thank
best in
you.
the world.
Love.
Thank you.
I don't really like samosas, and I'm
I
saying Guru
would-
Kripa is the
I
best in the
think-
world.
After like 7th standard, our canteen shut down, and I was genuinely like contemplating changing schools.
No, because in the
Where
short
am I gonna
break-
get my fix of
So
Guru
like,
Kripa?
I think that's a completely valid reason.
Thank
You have
you.
a
I was getting beaten in school, but
Oh my god.
but
my
I think
my
the samosa would have
priorities-
helped you.
Samosa would have
Yeah.
helped me. See, my
Like,
school samosa wasn't the best, and I was getting beaten also.
Ah.
So
Oh god.
Wait,
all
Is
in
that-
all,
are you
it was
being se-
bad.
Is that what happened in primitive times?
Yeah, in primitive times.
Bullying
Back
was
in
in the day.
Back in my day, when I used to take, I used to swim to school. Also, while I was there, like, of course, we were, yes, the girls are bitchy, whatever. We're all assholes to each other. And it's also because our teachers are awful to us. That's the only example we have. And the nuns are batshit crazy.
I think it's
right?
just a
I think
convent
it's a
girl.
convent
It's a,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
it's a
Yeah,
convent
yeah, yeah.
school experience.
Bad faculty, even worse principals and nuns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The slut shaming is a different level.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But you
Different
know what?
fucking
At
level.
least I can tell you for a fact now that my skin is so thick. I can go out, like, even New York, Vagara, wherever you take me. I'm
Yeah.
like, bitch, I went to school in an only girls Catholic
Yeah.
convent
Yeah.
school.
You don't want to fuck with me.
You have nothing on me.
Dhritika
Say
got
your
dress
shit.
coded on her birthday.
Oh, yeah. Of course. I'm
Convent
with you.
school, eh?
Typical. So what
Yeah.
happened?
So I was.
What were you wearing? What
I was
slutty
wearing
thing?
a halter neck.
How dare you?
And a
Sorry, how
skirt.
dare you?
Tell them how
And-
old you were.
I think I was 7 or 8 years old.
Whore.
Yeah, exactly. हमने तुम्हारा uniform skirt है यार.
Yeah.
क्या
How-
चल क्या रहा है?
No. It's different type of skirt. Was
Yeah.
your skirt checkered?
No, it was a frizz skirt.
Yeah,
It was a
that's
very
the
cute
problem.
outfit.
Wow,
I
that
don't
is
know.
That is
very
the problem
British.
there.
Appropriate outfit
Yeah,
for
yeah.
an 8-year-old.
This is your fault. How dare
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Yeah.
So
We used to
sorry.
have this
No, this
nun
is-
always like announce before like a Christmas party or a Children's Day party where we were allowed to wear civil clothes. There's this
Civil
one
No, colored clothes bowl.
colored clothes.
Colored
sorry.
clothes,
Yeah,
yes.
colored.
That's what they would
Civil
call
क्या हो
it.
रहा है?
Colored clothes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So she would always say this one line: no wearing sleeveless, backless, anything less.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
That
This
is
was the
Yeah.
exact
anything
line.
less.
Ingrained.
Who are you protecting us from? The male teachers?
Yeah.
two male
That is
teachers.
so
Have
messed
any?
up.
So
Bro, there were
fucked
like
up.
literally 2 male teachers. I think one of them was gay.
Yeah, for sure. There's always that one
Yeah.
teacher
Who pretends to be straight?
who's pretending.
I think if you're watching this, you know who you are.
you know who you are.
So, one more thing about New York that has always like fascinated me is bodega culture.
Yes.
What do you think the parallel is in Bombay?
Your dukans, no, like your
They don't have those,
regular.
Sandwich is the Arky way. From what I've seen
I mean, see, the
on
only
TikTok.
difference is, I'll tell you what, I think I'm also coming from a biased perspective, but I much rather go down and pick up a vada pav and get pani puri from the street than go to a bodega and then ask for a ham, egg, and cheese with, it's-
J-Lo's
it's-
bodega order.
yeah, it's J-Lo's bodega order. See, it's their version of street food. Okay,
Ah,
like it's not bodega. A bodega is not street food. They do have like you'll get like halal on the street and you'll get like a hot dog on the
Yeah.
street, which is great. But like the bodega culture is great because in the rest of America is gaon.
Mm.
That's what
Okay.
I wanted to bring up.
The
yeah.
rest of America is one big gaon,
Yeah.
and they aren't doing shit. They sleep by 8 o'clock. Everything shuts by 8:30.
Yes.
Yeah.
They live a very depressing life.
Yeah.
So New York stands out a lot to their culture, and that they are very good at marketing, right? America.
Exactly. I feel like the US has like marketed New York to be like the entirety of America, and that's
Yeah.
what people think.
Think it,
America-
yeah,
America is.
and I think that way also. Like when I talk about America,
Even-
I'm like New York, and when I talk about
Yeah.
India, I'm like
Bombay.
Bombay. But that's
Because-
not
Yeah.
the places.
Even now, when we asked you about college and like the college culture,
Yeah.
our entire idea was
Yeah.
what we saw on like
On TV, yeah.
And like most of the places,
Yeah.
at least like most colleges,
they're not in New York. Yeah.
yeah.
There are like 4 in New York. Yeah. That at least
So,
Desi kids are going to.
yeah.
But wait,
Exactly.
so no other city is like comparable to New York, like Chicago maybe?
See, Chicago is nice. I really do like Chicago. It's colder. It does
Huh.
have that New York-esque aesthetic.
It's like
it's
a
a
classier
city.
version, I feel.
It's like see, I'll tell you. Bombay is New York. Toronto in Canada is like Calcutta.
Okay.
Okay,
Not in
that's the
Bangalore.
energy.
But that you
I
have
would
to
say
like
it's
cross the border
Calcutta.
for that, no?
Yeah, but I'm just thinking about because I was there right now, so I'm just thinking
okay,
of the
wait,
cities.
is Chicago
Yeah.
like the Bangalore of?
Chicago, I would say I've not been to Bangalore honestly, but I would say Chicago is like
What's
maybe
the
like a
Delhi of America then?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles
Yes.
is horrible, I've heard.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
my
what.
god, that's so accurate. That's so accurate.
My
Los
parents were
Angeles
there
is
for
like
like
Delhi.
two extra days after like the function,
Hmm.
the reception basically, and they like cancelled their plans to go to Disney because it was so hot. I'm not joking. They just slept.
Yeah,
Oh, the people like the
the
relatives
people, the
My mom.
Oh.
I was like,
They
Mama,
just
go. You're
go.
literally in LA.
Yeah,
Go
go.
to Disney.
yeah,
please.
have fun.
No.
No.
She's like,
It's too hot.
hot.
Yeah,
She's a diva like that.
I
I'm my
love that.
mom.
Honestly, Slay, your mom shouldn't have to go to Disney. Fuck it. For her, to Disney would be so fucking boring. Huh?
Yeah.
But I think LA is a lot like Delhi in the way that the people are a lot like are like
The
similar. I
attitude
would
and,
say,
like,
yeah.
The way they.
Yeah, because I mean, LA honestly has the beach, so some would say that it's Bombay in the way that it's. But so like how our local trains are massive, people can walk on the road, everything's happening. That's New York City. The
Mhm.
trains,
Yeah.
public transport. LA, you need a car to go anywhere.
Mhm.
There is public
Mhm.
transport. It's fuck all. You need
Mhm.
a car to go wherever you're going. It is in general, the culture is a little different than Bombay, and like people are better dressed. People are more concerned about the way they present,
Huh.
and they are also a little more snobbish, I would say.
Acha.
I think Delhi people are more snooty than Bombay people
Yeah,
are.
for
Hmm.
sure.
Of course, we are very
Delhi
snooty.
haters at Beshara.
Yeah, we are very
Yeah.
snooty. I'm not pretending like Bombay people aren't, but I think Delhi people win
need to
in
calm it
like
down
a
a
little
little
bit.
Yeah, true.
They can chill.
But
Like
we-
we're snooty because we live in Bombay. They're snooty for what? you know.
Fair.
Like
There's Nutty
the
for
audacity.
AQI. Excuse me, it's the highest.
Arey, but this,
They're at the top.
They are at the top, but the air though. It's like a depressing story. Only we need another episode on climate justice.
Yes, one entire episode dedicated to
Just
this.
on yeah.
Yeah, but
But-
what's the like housing situation and stuff?
I
like?
lived in the dorms for my all 4 years of college. In my school,
Okay.
we all lived on campus. Lots of schools they leave, I think, second or third year. But my school, we were outside of New York. It was more expensive to live, in a rented apartment.
Yeah, for
we're in New
sure.
York, so it was cheaper to
course.
be in college. And I was a little outside of New York City. I want to say that because I was in like the Thane. I wasn't in New York City for the beginning of my college. I was in Westchester County. So
Okay.
I was 30 minutes by train away from Manhattan.
That's great.
Yeah. So, but I was outside in the way that where I lived was in city, It was a little bit,
Outskirts.
it was outskirts.
See,
It
the
was a
thing
little
for them,
gaon.
30 minutes is very far because there's no traffic.
Exactly.
Yeah. And but not by subway, right? Like by the
Hmm.
rail train.
Okay.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
the
yeah.
to
By the
get
Metro
to the
North.
subway lines, you
Hmm.
had 30
Yeah.
minutes.
Yes. But I was coming into Grand Central. Like VT, CST I was coming into.
Mm.
I said VT because my generation says VT. I don't know
No,
about
no,
your
we
generation.
We also did that.
I don't think the people who are saying Sigma and Skibidi know what we
Yeah.
VT
Oh
is.
my
I
Do
don't
God.
think they
now,
know.
do people now say CSMT?
No.
No.
I say
No,
CST
right?
only.
Yeah.
But my sister, she visited New York last year.
Yeah.
And thankfully she had a friend that she was traveling with whose nephew had a flat, and he was not in that flat at that time. He was in India. So they saved up a bunch on hotels.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
They've saved up a lot of money.
I know,
yeah.
but the problem was that it was a typical New York matchbox.
So it was this small.
It
It was the
started
size
and
of
it
this
ended.
the studio,
This-
the size of
it
the
had
studio.
one single bed, that type of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, and one couch. So one of
Yeah.
them took the bed, one of them took the couch.
Yeah.
But she tells me that like it's really bad in the sense that there is like sometimes no ventilation and there's like no fans and
shit.
There's no
just-
ceiling fans.
no ceiling
Yeah.
fans. It's really bad. No AC, no fans, nothing.
So
Yeah.
how does
So
the
if it was
how
hot-
does the ventilation work?
You open the window.
That's it.
Guys, open the window.
But like, what about like the fans? and
But you
stuff?
can get na like okay. Some
Exhaust bhi nahi tha yaar ghar
some
pe.
houses they have like my house. We had a wall-in AC that I had carried in the train and then put it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So you install it and then heat every house has.
Huh.
We need heat more than we need
The
cold,
Acha,
right?
like,
Because
yeah.
most of our year we are stuck in the freezing cold, and then you open the window for ventilation.
Okay.
Good old air, guys.
But
So
also,
that was a given.
yeah. No, but we don't. Ceiling fans are not a thing in
Yeah.
America. I used to have like one of those. You put
Table fan.
Table
fella
fans.
Yeah.
Oh.
I used to have that in college. My fan lasted 4 years. Very nice.
Love.
I never got a new one, and then after that, I moved into my own apartment, and there I upgraded. I got the wall
Wow.
AC. Yeah.
So would you say that you are looking to get like Indian representation to like your work in
Absolutely.
States.
I think so. Like, I feel like the stories I'm making,
Mhm.
I really want it to be representative of like my experiences or my friends' experiences, which is also not India's experiences by any means. I'm not
Yeah.
pretending otherwise. But at least like I get really irritated with this ABCD narrative, the diaspora, bullshit of it is not naan bread. Shut up, yeah. This is not the impending problem. You actually are the impending problem.
Yeah.
It is not chai tea. No one gives a fuck.
yeah.
Okay, nobody is crying about chai in India the way they are crying about chai there.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, it's very irritating when Indian American experiences are considered Indian experiences.
Yes.
Indian American experiences are valid. You do your thing.
Yeah,
You-
you have
you're
a
a
time
niche.
and place. Yeah.
You're a niche in yourself.
Hmm.
Stop pretending you know what India's like. Shut
Stop
the
trying
fuck
to
up.
represent the
Yes.
whole of India
Yeah.
just by your one experience.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you put mehndi once in your life, put one bindi. You are not Madhuri Dixit. Relax. Like, there is no
I love
need.
that.
It
I
is so
love it.
irritating.
Yeah.
I have my biggest problem more than white people is Indian Americans. Very irritating.
I
Valid.
think
Only I
we
feel.
brought this up in some other episode. How I like genuinely cringe when some like NRI, like American born NRIs, do the Indian accent, and then they don't have to live with that accent. We do.
Yeah,
and
they
then they
make
just
fun
like
of
go
it.
out and make fun of it.
They
We were
make
talking about
fun of
Lily
it.
Singh in that episode.
Yeah.
And she just made a career. I'm not shitting on her because
Yeah,
it
yeah.
was like really old times on
Right,
YouTube
right,
also.
right. Yeah.
But she basically made a career out of making fun of how her parents talk, and now people think it's okay to make fun of that accent, but
Yeah.
we live with it.
We live with it. No,
Yeah.
you're right. So I feel like again, nuances to it, right? So what I think her content did in a big way was it really reached out to a massive Indian American, Indian
Yes.
Canadian
Yeah,
audience
it
that
did.
felt represented finely in that moment back
like,
then.
Yeah.
They had this ability to relate to, you know, someone who has the same parents they do. So I get it. And I remember watching her videos and loving them growing up also.
Yeah, yeah.
Like
And
we all
and
loved
for
them.
For us to watch it back then, we were like, "Haan, thoda to mirch masala she will add."
Of course. And,
And
that
that
is
was
how we
fun.
do it. It
That
was
was
such a
fun
good
to
time.
watch.
Yeah.
It was.
So I feel like that's one way. See, so I feel like the way, a counter to what you're saying, the way Lily Singh did it was her experience with her parents
Yeah.
versus the way they made Raj in Big Bang Theory come across
Hmm.
is very different, because then that's white people being like, do the accent now.
Do that. Yeah,
please.
and
Or like Apu and Simpsons, right? Like, thank you, come again, whatever. Like,
I do
okay.
not see an Indian person in the writer's room for Big Bang Theory. Like,
No,
that is all
100%.
white
They
people.
have
They're
not.
like,
For sure not.
They have
do
not.
the thing, do the thing.
Yeah, do the thing. Exactly. So I feel like
Yeah.
that's the difference. When Lily Singh does it for her parents, I'm more okay with it. I'm like, you get to make fun of us. You are sort of one of us.
Yeah.
Huh.
When white people are like, hey, do na. You know, they don't do hey, do na. But I'm like, they're like, can you do that thing? Or can you say that again? That shit drives me insane. When people
Yeah.
ask me to repeat things, because
Yeah.
my accent is pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Right? Like, when they ask me to repeat things, because I've lived in America 8 years, I can code switch. I can very well
Yeah.
go American.
Do
It happens
Dude,
only.
Shona.
It's just
You
you can't do it on
Try
this
it.
show.
Shona.
Do it.
It happens,
Duna.
you know. It happens only when I'm on like customer care calls. You know, like when I'm talking to AT&T or whatever, and I need my number or
Turns out
something.
it is an Indian.
Turns out it's an Indian. We are both doing accents. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but when I get an Indian guy, I'm like, Bhaiya, please. And they're like, हाँ, ma'am, करता हूँ, करता हूँ.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the only time I'll switch. Or like if I'm ordering something, like a bagel order or something, you know, lox, cream cheese, whatever.
Yeah.
That's when I switch. I think a lot of my white friends have picked up my accent a little bit, and they're not doing it mockingly.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I've
god.
heard that.
You
Just,
won. You won in
I've won-
America.
No, you know, they say, they're like, you're coming now. Like they'll
I
add
love
na.
Oh.
And I'm like, what do you?
Love that.
One of my friends the other day, you will love this. My friend Kevin.
Is he the
and
guy who
he's
you keep like posting on your stories? Because I feel like
he's white.
yes.
I think I have two like
I-
white
I-
friends
I'm
who are.
pretty
I have
sh-
two
I'm pretty
white
sure
gays
I've
who are
seen-
online all
I
the
know
time.
who you're talking about.
Okay, so my friend Kevin, he was my ex-roommate. We used to live together, and he was like exposed to Indian culture like too much only. Bichara, I was like
Too much
literally
only.
propagating it at this point. Too much only. Yeah. So Kevin the other day calls me and he goes, I'm at Melody's, this club that was next to our house.
Hmm.
And he's like, I'm at Melody. And I'm like, okay, cool. And he's like, but I'm not getting in. So I'm like, dude, there's no, just go in. Like, you know, pay the cover fee, go in. He's like, no, can you, Sania, can you do some jugaad and get us in here?
I love that.
And I was like, who do you think I am, first of all?
From India, what I'll do?
And jugaad, when did I teach you this? What do you mean?
Does the bouncer to get in? Does the bouncer ask you, Melody, itni chocolate
क्यों है Melody का? This joke even I've made, so I will appreciate it. No, so yeah, so that's, he says he knows so much Hindi. It's like if I say it's niche, piche, these things, chalo, classic, you know, South Bombay shit. But they know that much now. I can
Okay.
English they can speak. Like
That's that. I feel so happy to hear
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
I
my
love it.
my
I
white
love
friends are
it.
coming
I
now
love
to Bombay in a couple of weeks, and
Mhm.
literally they're so excited,
I
and
love that.
they are fully like, should I pack my chappals, and it's very warm there, and they know that much, like that much
Mm.
education has been given to them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So talking about New York and Bombay, as I was earlier, and I really last episode we spoke about South Bombay lafras.
Huh.
I want to know your most batshit New York lafra that you
Yeah.
have witnessed, or one of your friends has witnessed, and you know
Okay.
about it.
No, I can
If you
tell
can recall.
So, just like regular lafras, there's always
Yeah.
like a bunch of drunk, egoistic men, right? That's what happens.
Four
Um,
drunk women.
so
So
on
for
my-
four drunk.
Four women. Four
Four
drunk.
One
One drunk
one
man
drunk man.
One drunk
is smarter
man.
than four drunk
Smarter
women.
than
Four
women,
women with PhD.
So there is this
Wow.
comment that we get perpetually. It
Oh
is-
yes, I have seen this
Yeah,
comment
yeah.
also.
One
Yes.
Only- it's in
man
every
is
video.
more intelligent than
Then
4
four
women
drunk
with
women.
PhDs.
Yes,
My
yes,
question
yes.
is, who gave us PhDs?
Yeah.
Is the man also? Does the man also have a PhD? Are we drunk?
Why
There are
aren't
so
we
many
drunk?
questions.
Why aren't we drunk is the
Yeah.
real question.
But yes,
So,
coming
yeah.
to Lafdas.
Yeah.
I have fought, my friends and I have fought with some people from Pune once.
Are baapre.
Yeah.
Valid.
Yeah,
Yeah.
should have.
That's true.
No,
That's
these
very
guys are bothering a friend of mine outside one bar once, and they are like, and I honestly don't like fight usually.
Hmm.
This is that the 2 times I've fought, and both times I've told you about. Now, this is one
Yeah.
lafda that I
Acha.
experienced,
Yeah.
and the second time is my friends. Actually, I have a couple of friends who are massive fighters, women,
Okay.
who are fighting all the time. So then now to protect them, we have to fight.
fair.
Is the situation.
Sisterhood.
But so we were standing outside, and this one guy's talking to my friend, and she asks him for a lighter. She's smoking a cigarette, and for some reason he thinks it's funny to say to her. He says, "Oh, you want a lighter? What if I light your eyelashes?" And she was like,
weird thing.
she was like, okay, you know what, forget it. She moved away and she asked someone else for lighter. Then he came back and he was bothering her,
Hmm.
and he kept saying really vile shit to her. Like it was getting a little ugly. It was not nice. And so she now has started screaming. And then another friend of mine, who full Marathi girl, very angry all the time. We call her Babu Rao, literally.
Valid.
She's also screaming now. And I'm in the bar. And one of my white friends has come inside and she's like, Sanya, come out, they're screaming. There's a fight outside. I'm like, there's a fight outside. So excited.
Yeah.
I'm like, there's a fight outside. You're like, no, our friends are mine. I'm like, okay, here we go. So I go out and they're screaming. So now I don't know what has happened, okay, at this point.
Okay.
And I'm seeing these days. First, I went out very scared. Then I'm like, they're these. These are our people.
Also, the guy that said I'll burn
Yeah,
your
the
eyelashes
Pune
was
guy.
Pune.
Pune guy. So they are desi starting. I'm like, तू जानता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ, full Delhi vibes. Okay, I'm like screaming at them and I'm like, you're from Pune. It's not even a real city.
This is
Just
what happens when
anything.
you let Pune people out in civilization.
I'm like, shut up. You're from Pune. Okay.
First of all, shut up.
मैं तो बम्बे आ. Like, yeah, you're from Pune. मतलब, the audacity.
So
Literally.
true. That is
Like,
so,
so
true.
much guts for what?
I think the reason why I have like a lot of hatred for Pune is because I have had friends
Yes.
that have dated men from Pune, and I've never met one of my friends that is in a relationship with a guy from Pune and is liking it.
Had a good experience. Yeah.
Like it's almost 100% always a bad experience. For
Okay,
them.
shout out to Gyani Bakery. I absolutely love
I
you
love
guys.
Budhani wafers.
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
love Chitle.
Yeah,
Chitle
doing the
Bandhu.
yeah.
One of my
We like
favorite-
Pune, huh? We like Pune.
One of my favorite restaurants is actually in Pune. It's called Malaka Spice. If you've
Okay,
ever been
I've
there.
not been there. I've
It's okay.
not been to Pune a lot, if I'm being
Yeah,
honest.
it's
I'm just
okay.
hating on them for
I-
fun. Yeah.
I don't hate Pune. I just hate Pune boys.
I just don't like the audacity they come with. Honestly,
Yeah.
that's my problem.
Imagine your city has nap time, babe.
Yeah. First of all, be legit and then.
You
come
don't
to
know
fight.
this?
What is this?
But
Even
Pune
Surat has this.
shuts
From like
around
in the
like
afternoon.
for nap time.
Like,
like
all the
Surat
shops
has
and all
this.
close.
I actually kind of love that. I'm not
Right?
It's a
gonna lie.
vibe. I'm telling you,
It
it's a vibe.
is a
but,
vibe,
like,
but
then
imagine
don't
Bombay
go-
shuts for 3 hours.
Yeah, we can't shut
like,
for
don't
3
call
hours.
yourself. Don't
No,
consider
see,
yourself
but
to be legit. Na, then
Correct,
if you're
correct. No,
being
I
shut.
completely agree. If you're going to be shut, see, that's what I'm saying, no, the audacity they come with.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you have nap time in your city, you can't come with that
You're a
audacity.
baby.
Yeah.
You can't be
Yeah.
fucking
Shut
lighting
up.
my
Yeah.
eyelashes.
You're
on
sleeping
fire.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
a baby.
Exactly.
Also, I think it was not just that they were, they were just so rude to my friends. They were like,
Yeah,
I was like,
imagine
shut
coming
up,
to a
yeah.
stranger
Like,
and
what
saying
is your
something like
problem?
that. That's so weird. Who says
Who
that?
comes up to you and says, I want to light your eyelashes?
Exactly.
Is
That's
this
such a
how you
weird
flirt
thing.
nowadays? Like, is that how
Where
you
is your
flirt?
earring?
I think so.
Like, it is so ridiculous.
What
They
happened
were
to
so
hi?
rude.
Hello.
What happened to a hello? You look nice
How
today.
are
what happened
you?
to even you up, bro? Like
Yeah,
this is
you
worse.
up, bro, is fine. Now I will take you up, bro. I want to
Yeah.
light your eyelashes on fire.
Yeah.
Baby, what you want to do to
Yeah,
me?
with
You
all
want
of
to get a
that,
little
like,
freaky? Let me
my
light your
eyelash
eyelashes on
serum is
fire.
$20, babe. You want to light them
Literally.
on fire?
They're like, he's like, you text him. You're like, I want to do all these dirty things to you. He's like, even I want to do arson. Like, what is the meaning
I have
of
a
this?
gun.
I have a gun. Welcome to America.
Yeah.
Guns in my area. Oh God, it
Oh.
is.
So, speaking of Bombay and New York and the disparity between the two, I personally feel, compared to New York only, I feel Bombay gives like a very old money vibe. Like,
Hmm.
I mean, I'm not saying it's not as urbanized as New York
Right,
in a certain
right.
way, but
You're right. Yeah.
I feel, the cafes that we have here, the restaurants that we have here, those heritage buildings that we
Heritage
have
buildings,
here
yes,
in Bombay, that just exudes
How I
a
look
lot
at
of
New York
old money vibe.
is very like artsy and new age for some reason.
Right,
Mhm,
right.
mhm.
And Bombay is more like
Like Bombay has the balance. Like it's
Yeah.
But
also
I-
urbanized, but then as in when you like explore Bombay other than Marine Drive,
Mhm.
and you get to see what Bombay was built from, because those buildings were there when Bombay was not even Bombay.
Right.
Like,
But
yeah.
I
those
feel,
go on.
I feel like there are pockets like that in New York also. I feel like
Possibly.
Are there?
I'll tell you what it is.
hmm.
Y'all really like British architecture.
Yeah, that's for sure.
It is very
That's-
like,
I mean, that's what we've
visualizing.
grown up
True.
seeing around and
Yeah.
about.
And that's fair. New York also, of course, there are pockets of
Hmm.
everything. But I do agree with what you're saying. In terms of old money, I think, see, New York and Bombay both have some of the most number of millionaires in
Yeah.
the world. We
Hmm.
know this
Yeah.
for a fact,
Hmm.
right? The difference is that I think it's just how you view them. Honestly, I'm not exposed to the richest people in New York. However,
Hmm.
I have seen the richest people in Bombay.
Yeah.
Antala khada hai. But
When I think of people of New York, I think of that one guy that approaches people on the street and asks them what their rent is, and
yeah.
Yeah. Can you show
Yeah.
us your apartment or whatever?
and there's people that are living
Living
like
it up,
in like in living it up, but also you have the people that have one bed in their house and then their house is like
Hmm.
completely full.
Yeah, but
They've
Yeah.
made the best out of the space,
Hmm.
Yes.
but it's still like okay, their washroom doesn't even have a door.
Guys, I didn't have a washing
Right.
machine. I hope you all know this. Like, I don't have
Matlab, you
laundry.
were doing dhobi ka kaam.
I used to didn't even have it. Didn't even have it in the building. In most buildings in New York,
oh shit.
you have a laundry
Laundromat.
Yeah.
situation in the
In-
building. So
yeah.
a washer and a dryer in the building.
like the
Hmm.
common one for like
Yes.
the entire thing.
I didn't have
I
one in my
wouldn't want to
building
share
also.
mine.
I didn't even have one in my
Shit.
building. I used to walk to the laundromat.
Oh,
How
and how
far
far was
was
that?
it?
3 blocks, 3 streets.
Hmm.
Camp's corner to Beach Candy.
Oh my
Easy,
God.
but
Wow.
yeah, I used to walk
With your
with my like Santa Claus holding, and then the freezing cold, and then do my laundry there.
Oh, shit.
Brother.
And then people can steal it also. I live in
God.
Queens.
I genuinely don't know how people compare like living in the US and like Bombay, because
Bombay is
when you
so
hear stuff like
convenient.
this, you're like,
Yeah.
shit, dude, like
Yeah.
Bombay
Like
is
the-
so much better.
Okay, I'll tell you
I
something. We live a
agree.
first world life in this our little third world
Yeah.
country,
Hmm.
and we live a third world life in a first world country. That's just how it is.
That's so well put. Like
I
I,
know.
think that's so
Yeah.
accurate.
I
That's
see
just how
that
it
guy, that New York guy going to like catching people in New York.
Hmm.
I see him doing that in Bombay, and it's just like a tour of Antilla. Like,
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Or like
it's
an
so
a
fun.
duplex flat or
Yeah.
like an apartment.
yeah,
It's so
Crazy.
cool to see these people like the kind of houses that they have and like what they've
Hmm.
made from whatever they've been given,
Yeah,
and like,
yeah.
turn it into such a cool
Hmm.
place.
Yeah.
Even
You
if
could-
it's- even if it's a
it's
small
very
place,
creative.
it's
Lots of people
very,
make
very
like small
creative,
spaces,
yeah.
and I mean, I think even my house is very nice. I'll show you all pictures.
Please.
I would
Uh,
love to see
but
that.
but
yeah.
the ceilings are like quite high now.
No,
over
not
there.
in my house at least. My house is so
some of them.
some of them like
Yeah.
where I lived, my house is very tiny and it was on the 3rd floor, and the building was 3 floors,
Hmm.
Okay.
so it's a small little building in
And I bet you had to
Queens.
climb.
yeah
Yeah,
walk
of
up,
course.
and it's the terrace was right
Chhat.
on the chat was right on top of our apartment, so we
Hmm.
used to also have parties on the
I
little
love
chat.
that.
And it's like very low, so I mean you can fall. You'll be very careful, but we would
Mhm.
have parties up there, and once we jumped so much that like above my bedroom there is
fuck.
a
Oh,
little
shit.
But yeah, what the fuck is up with the walls in
yeah,
like,
so the walls, I
why
don't
are
know
they
what they were
so-
using to make the houses in America, but you can hear everything first of all.
like
Hmm.
I
You
feel
punch
if
hard enough,
They
you'll
were
break it.
using
Exactly.
like putta.
Yeah.
plastered of Paris.
They-
Yeah. It's
They
you
went
can
to a stationery
punch in.
shop.
Yeah, yeah.
and-
Go
punch
wherever they
in
could find.
and you will like
Go on to the
Hmm.
other house.
yeah, you will.
But
yeah.
I really want to ask you what your experience was living alone, because when I was younger and I didn't really have like a proper stream in mind as to what I want to do in the future. But
Right.
like one thing that I envisioned for myself and I hope I get to do someday was
living.
live alone.
Yeah.
Have my own space. It doesn't matter if it's like छोटा
Yeah.
सा खोली,
Right.
But,
to
I
be
want
alone,
my
yeah.
space. I want to call it my
Absolutely.
and
yeah.
have it the way I want.
Want it. Yeah.
So, how
valid.
was that?
So it's both, right? So I've never lived alone. Let me clarify. I've always
okay.
had roommates. So I've
Hmm.
never lived alone. I've
Okay.
always had roommates.
Hmm.
It's an adjustment to live with different people. Always. Touchwood, I've always had very, very good roommates. I've
Mhm.
always lived with people who are till today some of my best friends.
That's cute.
So God bless. That's always been good. Maybe I'm just easy to live with, but
Maybe.
I mean, what do all
It's
of them
you
have
for
in
sure.
common? Me.
Maybe
so
you're an easygoing,
maybe
agreeable
I'm
person.
a amazing person. God bless.
Maybe I'm just the best.
Maybe I am.
Yeah.
There's a ghost in my house.
Whoa.
Really?
Tell-
Yeah.
tell
There's
more.
a ghost in my house.
Really
New
bad.
York
I
house or
think,
Bombay
I think
house?
you've said
Bombay
this
house.
somewhere. I think
Tanisha
Tanisha has said this.
Yeah, I think Tanisha has said this. There is a ghost in my house. We have a little boy, we think, in
Okay.
our house. So growing up, I had a imaginary friend,
Okay.
a little boy.
Oh shit.
When I was a little girl, I had an imaginary friend, a little boy named Mars. Now, my theory is that I've grown up, but Mars is still a little boy only because he's a ghost. He probably, died when he was a little boy or something like that. But our house, like whoever comes home, when you sleep in our house, you will hear 100 noises. Ye wo hoga.
Only to new people.
No, even we hear it, but we are used to it. We know it's Mars, no?
Oh,
They are.
no, why are you normalizing it? That's so weird.
Even
Because
your
he even
parents
said it.
acknowledge it.
Yeah, he's a good ghost.
Okay,
he's a
he
He
friend.
doesn't like do shit to like scare
a
off.
friendly ghost.
He's
whatever.
a friendly ghost. He's
Yeah,
chill.
yeah.
He's in the kitchen.
Hmm.
Full night, the kitchen will be, there'll be noises in the kitchen. The tap will come on, tap will go off. Things like that will happen.
Wow.
You're joking.
Mars is just cooking or something. God knows.
Oh my
Let him
god.
do his thing. Don't bother him.
Okay.
I think you should watch this movie called Imaginary on Prime.
Uh-huh.
I think you will love it.
I'm going to watch it. Okay, Imaginary on Prime.
Imaginary
I will
on
write it
Prime.
down.
It's a
But
great movie. I think you'll love it.
done. I'm going to watch it. It's
Okay.
about an imaginary ghost. Or
Imaginary
like
friend.
imaginary
I'm not
friend,
gonna
yeah.
spoil it
Okay,
for
don't
you.
okay, don't
Yeah,
tell me
yeah.
more.
Okay,
I'll
I'm
watch
going to
it.
watch
yeah.
it now.
It's
Yeah.
amazing.
So,
Okay.
but I'm convinced, like, it's a good. The
Spirit.
ghost in our house is a good
Hmm.
ghost, and we've had instances, where people like this happens to mostly my sister, my mom, and one of my parents' friends. We were all sitting together like this, okay, four, 5 of us, and something I don't experience this, but they'll all turn like that, and they're like, "Oh, Mars just went," like the little boy just went. Like they feel like a figure going through.
Your parents
Do you
have a
have
third
an
child.
extra room in your house?
No, we barely have space for me. I'm sleeping on
Shit, yeah.
the.
Wait,
in the
so
hall right
if,
now.
If there is a point where Tanisha and you are both like not in Bombay, then you should like put one of the rooms on Airbnb and then sell it like this.
As that you can see Mars.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, we have no space, but yes, that is a good idea.
You can sleep on the dining table.
I am. You're joking, but I not on the dining table. I'm sleeping in the hall right now. I'm on a little gadda in the hall because
I
there's no
love,
space for
I
me.
love.
But yeah,
Yeah.
we have so
Usually
Mars
the
is
younger
there.
siblings are
But she
displaced.
moved out, no?
But I moved out. No,
Mm.
so did she actually. But she came back before me.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that's the thing. So Mars is though there only in the house, and so during COVID actually, I was like, dude, Mars should go out and get groceries and all. Like he's the only one.
Valid. I mean,
But
rent free reh raha hai, kuch to kar
yeah, but of course there are moments I do get scared. Like this one time I was coming back home and I was holding, when you're holding 100 bags and I'm
Yeah.
trying to get the keys from my hand, and I was like, little boy, if you're listening, just open the door. And then I was like, actually, I'm sorry. No, don't open. I'll die. Please, don't open the door. And then he didn't open, of course.
Oh my god.
But
Would he have opened the door?
Oh my
god.
This is scarier than a Halloween episode. When
Yeah.
I swear.
so
That's
I
the part two you guys asked for.
So he said, I said, open the door, but he didn't. Of course, he didn't open the door. But I'm convinced he's there. I'm convinced we have like a little boy, but he's a chill little boy.
He's
but
chill.
my friends are very scared also. They
Yeah.
always say
Duh.
that there is
That's scary.
somebody. And we had this maid who worked in our house for some time, who would also, I think she was not well. So she sometimes uska like matha used to chado in the middle of the night. She had
Chado?
very long hair. So
No.
she would take two
Uh-huh.
spoons and she would
bang
bang them together.
Okay.
But we were like, she's just having a fit, like it was never
Oh my
taken
God.
I
away.
can't fathom
She
how
was
chill
the
you are with it.
loveliest woman.
Yeah.
She used to come and like just cook and leave types. But she was the loveliest woman. But I think she was not like mentally well.
Great.
Um,
Okay.
But she was lovely, and her food was good, and she was great, and we were like once in a while,
Mentally ill
Matha
people are
chados.
great at cooking.
Where dude, we all
We ate. No, I'm sorry.
so I mean, it was fine. Like she would sometimes go a little crazy, but
Nice.
it's okay. It is what it is. Which one of us doesn't go a little crazy?
Fair,
Yeah.
fair.
So
No,
you know,
that's good.
women
So
supporting women. No, but I think living alone is very important also. I think everybody needs to live alone because you will only realize who you are when you have your own house or own space, when you're running
Right.
your own house.
Right.
Yeah.
And you will realize how your parents is almost like their idiosyncrasies will also come through.
Yeah.
But it is, you discover your own characteristics also. There's
Yeah.
nothing like having your own place. And honestly, the best thing is like when my roommates don't know, I go walk around naked. Like it is the
Exactly.
best
You
feeling
could
in
wear
the
That
world.
is one thing.
Fashion
Wear
outfit,
whatever you
like,
want, do
I
whatever
love
you
that.
want. But then
Yeah.
also, I mean, there are pros and cons, right? But I would
sure.
100% say you grow as a human being when you move out of your parents' house. So I'm
No,
sorry to
completely true.
all the diamond merchants who are have children and are working in family business and
Feel
will
like
never
this
leave
is
the house.
targeted.
Um,
Sanya.
maybe consider boys. Maybe consider not living in your house till your parents die.
Whoa,
Like
that's
maybe
an
get your own
insane idea.
place because you can afford it. So
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
get your own place.
So since we've had this conversation and you know we've tried to draw parallels between New York and South Bombay
Yes.
and all
I
of that.
have one last.
Please tell.
parallel.
Go for it.
Like we have Causeway.
Yes, Colaba Causeway. Yes.
Do we have that in
Brooklyn, all of Brooklyn. We have Brooklyn,
Thrift
we have
shops.
thrift stores, of course, lots of
hmm,
thrift stores that we thrift at, but also there's like markets in Brooklyn where you can pick up stuff and
Mm.
things
Is it
like
as
that.
cheap?
Means in their currency, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
like,
you'll get something for a couple of dollars
A
here
lot
and
of
there.
what I've
Okay.
seen in these thrift stores, I mean, on like reels and stuff, it's sometimes you get like really disgusting pieces of clothing.
Yeah, sometimes.
Like,
but
there's,
sometimes
like,
you get really amazing stuff also. Like some of the
Yeah,
best
some of them,
stuff
like really
I've
good
bought.
vintage.
Yeah,
and
some of the
stuff.
best jeans I've bought, some of the best like I have come from thrift stores. Yeah.
In fact,
Love.
I wear my dad's old jeans.
I wear my dad's t-shirts all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the best.
I
Nice.
wear your granddad's clothes. Yeah. But it's honestly sometimes you need
You
someone to
gotta get
wear.
lucky.
Do you
Yeah,
have like
Yeah.
cliche spots there, like Marines? Like should that like
Yeah,
everyone not like the
goes to-
Statue of Liberty, obviously.
No, of course. Like cliche like you know,
like the
eating,
Dumbo
drinking
Bridge or
spots.
something.
Yeah, Dumbo's great. I mean, I feel like New York is such a big place, and depending on where you come from and what you do, things are different. Of course, there are a few common ones, but mostly I will say the problem with New York is that it's a little too vast sometimes. Like there's
That has too many like cliche spots.
yeah, really depends on. There's so many different kinds of people.
It's
Yeah,
whatever
true.
Shashi
Yeah.
from English Finglish saw.
Yeah, it is. Let's just keep it to that. Yeah, it is.
So,
Yeah.
I guess to wrap it up, I really wanted to know your perspective since you've moved and all, huh?
Yes,
I still wanted to know if you're in touch with your South Bombay roots.
of course I am.
Okay.
Can't
And
take it
I
out of
also
me.
know I know that you are in a very happy relationship right now.
I am. Yes.
But you've had your fair share of sober boys, I'm sure.
around me, yes. Like I've never dated any of them,
Your friends have.
but I have.
You heard of them.
You
Vicariously,
know
I have
that.
lived through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they've been my very good friends also, unfortunately.
Sure.
Oh,
fortunately.
yeah.
You
So we
have
have
pulled
a-
out the
We have a
Yes.
tiny segment.
Yes,
tiny
okay.
segment for you.
Okay.
So
Yes.
he's a 10, but
He's a 10, but
South
okay.
Bombay edition.
Okay, love it. I'm
And
excited.
You have to give me what his rating is, and if you have somebody that resonates with these statements, okay? Anything
Okay.
you want.
Okay.
Okay. He's an 8, but वो ticket black करता है concert की.
That these band selling people I'm not a big fan of, but I respect the hustle. So he's an 8 only.
He's
He's
an
an
8.
8. He remains
Okay.
the same. It's not a. He's
Good
a
or
7.
bad?
Chal, 1
Yeah,
point
yeah.
I'm removing.
Yeah.
7.
ठीक है.
He's like those club promoters, I feel.
See,
Those are worse.
okay, you ruined it. Actually, he's a 1. The minute you
That
said
was
club promoter,
Literally, my next turn, I was like,
Oh shit, I'm
yeah,
sorry.
fuck you.
he's a
Sorry,
club
I'm joking, I was
promoter.
He's a
He's a
10.
1.
He's a 10, but he's a club promoter.
He's a 1, darling.
He's a
Ooh.
0.
He's a 1.
Negative for me.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
But
can't.
I
I
got
can't
DJ.
talk with them.
Huh?
What about DJ?
Okay, so I have a very good friend who's a DJ who I really love and respect, but it can't be your you have to have a full-time job also.
That can be your passion.
That
Yeah,
can be
yeah.
your passion,
Yeah.
unless you're making it really big, which is
Hmm.
I respect like you doing it on the side and then you take over full-time, fine. But
yes,
Yeah.
correct.
The only
Yeah.
DJ I've ever respected is DJ Khalid.
DJ Snake.
Who's that? Yeah, I know who it is, but like I have no face to that
name, yeah.
DJ Snake
DJ.
kaun hai?
Yeah, fair enough.
You know what else I don't have a face to? Marshmallow. Nobody
Yeah,
has a face
no one
to
has a
that.
face
Sia.
to him, no? No, Sia bhi dekh liya hai.
Hmm.
Ho gaya leak.
Yeah.
But I
Sia's
only
not a
picture.
DJ.
No, but I only picture her black and white hair.
Even
Yeah,
I
cheap
pictured it.
thrills.
You're right.
Yeah.
When I
It's good
pictured it.
branding, I guess.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
good branding. No, but club promoters, like, look, I'm just the
Jutes.
problem is I'm imagining this certain person, okay, in my
One
head.
second, sorry. What?
No.
I'm sorry, what? Sorry, yeah.
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 And it's like
imagine
10
I have like a
centimeters
Pro
away.
Max.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, please.
literally.
And in this hand, there's a vape.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm mouth fagging, huh?
Yeah. And they're just the worst. I'm sorry, a club promoter. Yeah.
And these boys will like pick one club and suck them dry.
Dry.
And their name will be Arhan or Ayan or like.
This can't
Or
be.
there are the
This is
brands
the
of
third
num.
episode.
We're naming
know,
those.
But it's so accurate.
Or they're like
Oh my God.
nummans.
I had this.
Or
Oh my
I hit a nerve. I have hit a nerve.
The room
has
the room has
dropped.
lit
Wait,
up, guys.
I actually do not know a club promoter named Naman.
No, but we're
But
stereotyping. It's okay.
I
In my college,
oh my god, I love that reaction.
one of my college, like random groups from college, one guy, he would literally sell tickets of an event or a concert after it's done.
After it's done.
Yeah.
How
For
did
what?
he manage
Just
to do that?
vibes. Like
Just
ये
vibes. He would
कैसा है?
literally send it. मतलब event आज हो गया. But वो कल भी message भेज रहा है. 2 tickets available, 3 available. अब
But
मतलब
how,
पागल
that
है
makes
क्या?
no
That
sense.
makes
Why
no-
would
exactly we removed him.
Yeah.
Okay, so club
Okay.
promoters are no,
Hmm.
absolute no.
Big no.
He's a 10, but
Hmm.
he's taking a gap year.
That's okay, yeah. Why?
took a
What is
gap
the
year.
gap year connotation? Just
Basically, when you have like a shit ton of money,
okay, and then
and
you're
then
okay.
you're
That is
like,
the
you can
Dad,
afford
I'm
connotation.
on
to
a
do that.
gap year. I want to figure out shit. Like, and
Yeah,
dad's
but
like,
is
I
he
wanna
actually-
travel. legit?
Okay, is he
I will-
actually figuring shit out, or is he
नहीं,
just like
उसने end में
chilling?
बाप के धंधे पे ही बैठना है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
That's the
He's just
Oh, this
trying
Baap
to
Ka
like
Dhanda people also I
stretch
don't-
it out.
Yeah.
He's just trying to stretch out his like pocket money, his allowance
Hmm.
for
Okay,
as
so
long
he-
as he can.
And he's a club promoter while he's at it.
Exactly.
So he's
Yeah.
a zero only.
And he's like,
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Zero.
He's
Full
the
matlab
zero
you've
only.
docked
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, but this is the person who is a club promoter. है ना?
Yeah.
After their
I
gap
see
year, they
it.
become a
You're-
club
yeah,
promoter.
after the gap year, in 1 year of figuring out, they
Hmm.
figured that they want to be a club promoter.
Yeah.
They want
Yeah.
to party, they figure
Yeah,
out.
so ठीक है, no problem. I love them because they get me entry and all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Also
grateful
for
for
that
you.
For that, they're a 10, but otherwise, they're a 0.
Yeah. For that 15 minutes that I have to flirt, then it's fine.
चलता है.
It's okay.
Your boyfriend's watching.
He knows. Praja is the biggest flirt in the world, and so am I. We both are very.
You flirt with each other.
Those are the only two people we don't flirt with. We are quite bored of each other. No, we love each other a lot, but we both are flirts. We flirt with everyone. It works for our relationship. We don't give a fuck.
Great.
Lovely.
Love
Yeah.
that.
We're not insecure. We've been together for 13 years.
You're
Wow.
Yeah,
13.
13.
That's such
13 years.
I
He's
don't-
my one and only boyfriend.
Hmm.
And we've been together forever. There is
Wow.
no insecurity in this relationship. I'm flirting with everybody. He's flirting with everybody. We come home and we're laughing about it. So
Oh, I love
Cute.
that.
whoever else is
Do
feeling
you
any
laugh
sort of
about
way,
like
yeah.
douchebags you meet that you like
Or like
flirted with
guys
for
who
fun?
DM you random shit.
Yeah, of course.
Like,
Of
Yeah,
course,
that
of
happens
course.
like.
That's damn
yeah.
fun.
bro, I saw
Absolutely.
this asshole at the coffee shop and he was like so stupid.
Sometimes I've actually had a good experience with a couple of guys who flirted with me who've been very respectful about
Hmm.
their flirting also. I think men respect men, right? So they're nice to me because they know I have a boyfriend and they're kind of hoping that
Hmm.
when
Hmm.
भाई 13
We
साल
break.
से चल रहा है अभी क्या तुम मतलब शादी कर ही छोड़ोगे ना?
The one thing about men is they have faith in themselves. So
Yeah.
you know.
Men
We have a lot
have the audacity.
Yes,
Yeah.
they're very audacious.
Audacious people.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the thing. So I don't feel but I like there are a couple of people who've like flirted with me in a very nice way, and
Mhm.
yeah, I mean, they're
It's
right.
very
If I do
conversational.
break up with Praja, I will hit them up. But no, I'm joking. But
No, that
yeah,
will not
that's
happen.
that's
Yeah.
we're not. I don't think we're breaking
Hmm.
up, so we're okay.
Okay, so my next one is he's an 8, but he is apolitical.
Oh, he's a 0.
Yeah.
Easy 0.
He's a 0. I can't do that.
Have
Yeah.
you encountered any apolitical
Of course,
people in your
lots
circle?
of lots of apolitical people in my circle.
They're always
I-
the entitled ones.
Yeah, and no, also sometimes I not also. But I as a person, I think I have a lot of thoughts, and
lot of
I'm
things.
very angry about a lot of things. So
Hmm.
I need someone to does not be as angry at me, but at least understands where that comes
Hmm.
from.
Yeah.
So for me, that's a 0.
And
Can't
then
do
it's worse when you're trying to express something and then they're like, bro, but it's not even that big of a deal.
Yeah, I
Like,
can't do that.
Yeah.
You're
Okay, it might
undermining
not
not
be a big
affecting
deal
you,
to you.
but it's affecting a part of the population.
Part of me and a part of like a larger group. Like,
Yes.
do you think of anything besides yourself?
Exactly.
Mm.
Yeah. No, it's not.
hate,
it's
hate apolitical people.
I can't do
Yeah.
that. Not for
Same,
me.
same.
If like it's okay if you have the wrong opinion, at least have an opinion.
Yeah, I agree. It's okay if you have the wrong opinion.
You like these
It's
beyond,
not
like,
great
the
if
other
you have the
side
wrong
of
opinion,
it.
but at least have one.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah.
At least you stand for something.
Yeah, wrong
Yeah.
opinion, then maybe I can fix you. You know, at
Yeah,
least
I
there's
know I
hope
can stay
there.
away from it. If you don't have an opinion,
Yeah,
what do I work with?
Yeah, no, apolitical is not happening.
Okay.
Yes.
So he's a 7, but he exclusively wears one of the high street brand like jaywalking.
I actually like those t-shirts, I'll be
But he
honest.
exclusively
He
wears
exclusively
Like, घर
wears
पे भी
that.
वही पहनता है.
Yeah.
Acha.
that. उसका पोछा भी jaywalking.
Oh, he's very rich, yeah, then. He's a
Yeah.
10, what are you saying? He's very rich. He's उसका कुत्ता भी पहन रहा है तो मतलब he's very rich.
Yeah.
He's still a 7 only. That
Yeah.
doesn't make a big difference to me. You wear
Acha.
what you want.
You can wear whatever.
Wear whatever you want.
Yeah.
So
Real-
liberal you are.
Because I don't want you to like give me shit on how I'm dressing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I
you wear
can't give
what
you shit on
want.
how
Yeah.
you're dressing. But I think one
And also
like,
the things you said, jaywalking, the t-shirts are nice. Like if he was wearing like, I don't know,
Jaywalking
something-
was one of them. Like,
Yeah.
the-
like
Yeah,
she-
blue,
but I
orange,
honestly,
There are
I
many
think-
of those.
But okay, so I don't buy a lot of streetwear brands, but I think they look fine. So I'm not offended by that. You know what I'm saying? Like
what
I'll
I'm
be
offended
okay.
by is men wearing like booty shorts. That I'm genuinely offended.
Really, I'm fine with that also.
तुम अमेरिका गई हो ना?
Ah, maybe. Yeah.
तुम्हारे क्लास में नंगा आ गया था.
Yeah, correct. Actually, I'm a different. You're right. You're right. After seeing Nanga Admi, I mean, booty shorts are very good compared to Nanga Admi. No, clothes wise, I'm pretty like, yeah,
Yeah.
like, ठीक है,
Sure,
do what you
जाने
want,
दो.
yeah.
So my last one is he's a 10,
Huh.
but he's rude to his house help.
Okay. That is a
Ew.
minus.
No.
Ew.
Yeah.
That is a minus on my end.
Negative. That is
Negative
a
marking.
if you're in America, shoot him.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say I would throw him out of the window.
Yeah,
like,
for sure.
there's no way in hell. No,
Definitely.
sorry.
It tells you a lot about like who the person is. Yeah.
Anybody who's honestly for me, it's anybody who's rude to another person
Yes.
for no reason,
Correct.
especially within the service industry. I hope you go to hell. Genuinely.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope you are very miserable in hell,
Mm.
and it'll happen. Karma is awful, and
Mm.
it'll happen.
There is
to you.
no reason for you to like this person.
That's the biggest
helps
red
you.
flag. That is the
Right.
biggest red flag.
Yeah.
It doesn't even have to be house help or like waiters who are serving you. In
Waiters.
general, if you're
Mm.
unable to be a decent, kind human being to people, I hope you have.
A rotten hell.
I hope you have diarrhea for a long period of
Yeah.
time.
No, I hope when you want to go to fucking poop, your zip doesn't open or your nunu gets up. Inside in the zip.
Your no gets
Nunu
out-
mentioned.
No mentioned. Your no gets outcored somewhere. I love that. No is insane. Yes.
अभी पता नहीं आगे
I
का
didn't say
सवाल
dick
होगा,
because
पीछे
he
का
doesn't-
सवाल होगा।
I didn't say dick because he definitely has a small one. So nunu's the one.
No.
yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, regardless. Yeah. but
Your
like
ball
I-
sack. It's not even your dick is not even there. It's just the ball sack. Okay, what if he's a 5 but he has contacts?
Mm.
Like
What?
solid connections.
Solid any club.
Club connections only or other
Are in
club
Bombay,
connections.
contacts is clubs only.
Bombay, yeah.
Oh, I was thinking someone to get me like fund things of mine. I'm hoping like connects like that.
That is
Or
those-
political connections if he has, then I can do more things. Yeah.
That's
Club connections, I don't give a fuck, bro.
yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Which club is so hard to get into in Bombay, Baba?
Yeah, exactly.
Which club is so hard? Like, why are we stressing out? You go there, they will let you in eventually. It's not
Yeah.
such a big deal. I'm not stressed.
Hmm.
He's quite useless to me.
I have another one. He's a 9, but all he talks about is his love for film. and like the really like.
I love a passionate man, but you can't have one passion.
Ooh.
You can't have one and only
Let's go.
make that your
passion.
entire life.
You cannot. Like there are boys who make their whole personality the gym.
Hmm.
I love that you have a passion for the gym, but if morning to night
Get
we're
your
only
butt
talking
out
about,
of it.
Yeah.
you have to have multiple interests, or
What
at
if-
least two.
Yeah,
Better than
If
one.
three is a lot.
At least two.
Like
At
sufficient.
least two.
And third one can be me.
Yeah,
Third
correct.
obsession can
Third
be me.
obsession can be me.
Yes.
Yeah.
What if he's a 10, but he's giving off Shamka crowd at gym? You know the Shamka?
Yeah.
He's a 10, but he goes to the gym at 6.
Okay, I go to the gym at 6.
Sanya!
I actually don't go to the gym, period. I'm such a liar. But if I had to go to the gym, it would be in the evening. I won't lie.
Oh.
I am an evening gymmer.
Like up until like last 2 months, I was very consistent at the gym, but I went at 6 a.m.
Yeah, but you're
Love.
insane. Who goes in the... Why do you hate your life so much also? Go
It
to the
was
gym,
not
then I'm in the
bad.
morning.
It was not bad. I'm telling you, it was one of the best.
Ugh, bullshit.
I'm not joking. See,
Best
like, it
experiences.
sounds
I was
like
so good. The whole day was amazing. After I felt rejuvenated in the morning.
you
Bullshit.
You're right.
It's Stockholm syndrome. Okay? It's bunch of bullshit. I hate that shit. There's no need only. See, I don't go to the gym.
You
I
tried
dance. I dance. I can't wake up in the morning. Okay?
Great,
I cannot
great.
wake up in the morning. Unless I'm going on set, which I have to.
Mm.
But I hate to wake up in the morning unless there's a flight or there's set early
You're
in the morning.
compelled to.
I'm a night person. I have gone to the gym in America. There was a gym that was open 24/7. So I've gone at 2 o'clock in the morning also. Like that is my morning.
That's fine.
How
हाँ,
is that
रात
safe?
को. It was niche, like
हाँ, हाँ.
close
No,
by,
my
like
gym is also
across
24/7.
No,
the.
the US no.
Ah.
Across the road. But listen, in New York, I take the train alone at 4 o'clock in the morning myself. It's not safe, but it is life.
It works.
It
Okay.
works. I live alone. There's set that sometimes I have to be somewhere at 4 a.m. for work. I have to be somewhere at 4 a.m. And let's be so for real. Sometimes I've partied till 3 o'clock and been like, whatever, I need to take the train
Yes,
home.
fair.
It is what it is. But yeah, I can't go to the gym in the morning. I think that's ridiculous.
Yeah, I feel like.
But I know what you're talking about. शाम में gym वाले also मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. पर
You can't, like, at least my gym, maybe it's the locality that it's at, you cannot. Part of the reason why I went in the morning was you cannot go in the evening. You can't,
Fair,
like,
fair,
Yeah,
fair.
see, that's a fair point.
I understand
but
what you're saying, but I can't like subah ko gym wale is worse for me. These boys who come subah ko no, these boys who go into the gym in the morning now are very holier than thou. They think they've achieved something big by going to the
Yeah,
gym in
it's
the morning.
like, oh,
You're doing same, no? You're those
yeah,
boys.
It's like,
I'm
You
no
are the boy. You are
but-
that boy.
yeah.
You are the
but I
boy.
think that I have gotten more creepy stares when I've gone in the shop, like Sham ka time.
Creepy says to मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, but
Yeah,
शाम का
that's
हाँ
any
मिलेगा.
time
That's
you
true.
want,
शाम
like,
को
it's
is-
the
yeah,
locality
yeah.
that you went to. But I feel like in the morning, if you
Okay,
go,
Sanjay,
like,
do you want me to fucking move?
Yeah.
First you move. Cocktail party at Sanjana's.
Sanjana's.
Yes.
Yeah.
Quentin's hosting.
Yes.
Mm.
You're going.
Love
you,
it.
You can come to my house for a cocktail party. I host it in for Christmas.
I'm coming.
Yes.
I
you
love
have
it.
to come.
Okay, I'm excited. We
She'll
made
be
plans.
home for Quizma.
Quizmoise.
If you don't invite me, no, I swear I'll post saying
Yeah,
you're all
she's
awful
going-
to me. I'll be like, they were so rude.
No, I'm going to show
Cancel
you my-
them! Yeah.
Honestly, urge you, do it for like 15 days.
What, go to the gym
Baap
in the
re,
morning?
that's too much.
It
My
will
God.
change. Listen,
I have a
if
friend,
anyone-
Karan, he says the same thing. He's always like, go to the gym, it'll change your life.
Go to gym in the morning. Because first of all, it's fucking empty, bro. And if you have a 24-hour gym, then go.
No,
late
right
at
now I
night.
don't have a 24
See, I understand the
gym.
whole thing of like
Okay.
you're preparing yourself for the day and stuff, but like, why
Okay.
overachieve?
Also, I'm
No,
not
no,
a
no, I
gym
feel it's a
girly.
great-
I'm really not a
Yeah,
gym
you were
girly.
telling us about how you like to
I-
dance.
I like to like I'll go to a dance class or
Like a
I'll do
workshop or
like a
something.
workshop or like now I've started Bharatnatyam classes. Like quite.
I am a
Sanjana's
Bharatanatyam
a-
dancer.
I love that. Yes, I've just started. So I'm on my
Okay.
4th class. Literally, I've
Oh.
just
She's
begun.
done it competitively.
Stop it,
I have done my masters in it.
dude. That's amazing.
I've done it for 5 years.
That's actually so. I'm very impressed by that. So
Yeah.
so I'm like I need to like do something that's giving me like joy, you know, and nothing
Mhm.
about the gym, unfortunately.
Fair.
Except rowing. I do like rowing, like the rowing machine. I like the rowing machine because also I've rowed also.
Like,
so
Okay.
in on the water. So that is exciting. Like the idea of like or like playing a sport would be fun.
I
To
love
just
sports
go
too.
to it. I'm very terrible. I'm actually very bad at sports. But I will enjoy it with like friends and all, whatever. That's like a fun way to get your
Yeah.
exercise in. I'm not a big gym person. I feel a
I
little
feel like I like to include
constrained.
like physical activity with something that's fun,
exactly
like dancing or sports.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So for example, in the gym, when you like work out, you do like a bunch of exercises or whatever before you hit the machinery. You're doing
Yeah.
like warm up stuff,
Your, cardio.
lunges and your cardio, whatever your stuff. In dance, when you do all of that, it's like you get done with all of the heavy shit so that you can hit choreography. You're waiting to hit choreography, right?
Yes.
In the gym, there's no choreography
wait-
only.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
just
You're
It
waiting
gets-
for it.
gets
you're
worse.
waiting for the
This-
fun stuff.
But the fun stuff enters the chat when you know that you've lifted like 20 kgs yesterday,
then-
and then
yeah.
you want like
No, correct. That is
go
It's
up.
actually
Yeah.
adrenaline. I feel like.
You know what, I'm
Oh,
gonna-
that's
I'll
what I
go,
did yesterday.
but I won't go in the
No,
morning.
because
But I will just go with.
Sania, we were really vibing this entire episode.
Yeah, I know. Then suddenly there's been a darar. I can feel it. There's a darar between us. It's
Yeah, before
over.
we end this friendship, I think we should end
The
this
pod.
episode.
I know. I don't think we should speak any longer.
Yes. we're gonna eat in silence.
Yes, yeah. We
Yeah.
won't. We've reached a point. We won't mess it up now. 'Cause
Yeah, let's.
we are starting to disagree.
Before that, we stop.
Before we go though, is there anything at all that you would like to plug, that you would like our audience to see? There's something
I think you guys should watch this podcast. Honestly,
Yes.
I will just say that I'm one of the starting fans because I commented on one of their reels
Cute.
when they were like at 1,000 followers or something.
Yeah,
Like,
we
yeah, we
remember
were
that. That was
really,
huge.
Yeah.
early on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I thought they were really cool and really funny, and of course there were a lot of haters as usual
Yes.
who was speaking.
Oh
shit
my
about
god.
them.
Ritika just flipped them
Mashallah.
off.
But yeah, so there was a lot of bullshit that you guys received, and I think what you guys are doing is really fun, and I don't think there's anything wrong with taking a mic and just blabbering. I'm a big fan of it,
exactly.
and everyone on the internet seems to be doing it anyway.
Yes.
So I'm glad you guys are doing it, and I'm glad that I'm going to call myself the first guest appearance only because
Oh my god.
the previous one doesn't count. No hate to
Sorry.
you, whoever you were. I haven't seen your episode, so
Ooh,
You're our
okay.
first like girly girl.
yeah,
I guess.
as
We
it-
need
as
more
it should
girlfriends
be.
on the pod.
Yes.
100%.
Yes.
So yeah, so I'm just gonna say it was me, and yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna
We'll
take it
also
from
claim
there.
that. But
Yeah.
do you want them to follow your Instagram?
Yes,
or
of course. If listen, none of your mean followers should come to my page.
Oh
I
my
have
God.
enough.
Please
I have enough rude people. Don't follow me. Actually, many of you are
Block
quite
kar
rude
do.
to them. They've only invited me here so that they don't have to get hit alone. That is
Yeah,
all.
exactly.
Yeah.
चारों में
So,
बटेगा।
हो ही रहा है तो एक साथ ही कर लो.
yeah. So please don't follow me or like and then leave. Bas, zyada-
like and leave.
like and
Yeah.
leave. Yeah.
Anyway, if you watched
Oh yeah.
till this point, comment a skyline emoji or many skyline emojis
Yeah.
if you want.
Or like the bridge.
the
Yeah, the
Brooklyn
The
Bridge.
bridge.
Is that
Yeah.
an emoji?
Yes.
Is
Yeah,
it? Is it?
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
seen
yeah,
it.
it
I've
is.
never
It's
used
it's
this
in
emoji.
it's in red.
I don't know why.
Okay,
I don't know
So
why I
it's
know
such a
it.
disgrace, babe.
Yeah.
I don't know why I know
Listen,
it.
real New Yorkers are not using New York emojis, but it's fine.
Yeah.
We are the not.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
They're not wearing I Love New York t-shirts?
Yeah.
I have these pajamas that I love New York. I love New York. Like,
You got them
I
from
love-
Colaba, no?
I did get them from Kolapa. No, literally, I
Oh my
did.
god, do you get I Love Mumbai over there?
I wish you get I love Kolaba specifically. I love South Bombay. That is what
I love
love.
Central Line.
Yeah, that is what
I
we
love
need.
Dadar.
I love Dadar. I want an I love Dadar t-shirt.
Bro, Besharam merch idea.
I love Dadar.
Dadar.
Yes, I love
Yes.
that. I love that.
That's if you want that, guys, whoever watched this long,
Comment I want Dadar.
I
love
want.
Dadar.
I
I love
love
Dadar.
Dadar. I want Dadar.
Yes. Comment I love Dadar
Everything.
down. We will make it happen.
until next week when we meet you,
Stay
like,
Besharam.
एक
Oh
second,
shit, sorry.
like,
She's like,
share, subscribe, go to our Spotify, give us a good rating over there as well.
oh, this is on Spotify also.
Yeah.
Of
and
course,
Apple
babe,
Music.
you've not
Yeah.
given us a rating.
Oh, sorry, I'll give now.
Someone's not done their
सब
homework.
करवाना पड़ेगा
Okay,
हमें.
okay, it's on Spotify also.
Yeah.
It'll be- you guys will be on my Wrapped next year.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, I will watch now.
Manifestation.
Yeah.
Anyway, until then, stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam. Bye.
Bye.